I don't like this weather. Oh, hi there, Tyler.
Gosh, but Capulet is here.
Where's Romeo? He's your friend, right?
I don't know where he is.
Stop at you two.
Here he is. Romeo, come here.
Tybalt, I'm not your enemies. The Montates and Capulets are going to be good friends.
What are you talking about?
Why can't you fight with them?
Stop fighting! Don't you remember what Princess Carlos said? Benvolio, help me to stop them.
Well, I'll fight them.
Come on, I'm not scared.
Away.
Benvolio, help me to stop them.
Let go of me!
I'm so excited. Romeo is going to be with me. We're married now, but only Father Lawrence and my nurse know. Oh, there she is now.
Juliet, my dear, something terrible happened.
Who's dead? Not Romeo, not my husband.
No, your cousin Tybalt is dead.
How did he die?
There was a fight, and Romeo killed him.
No, it's not true. Romeo never fought him again.
Don't cry, my dear. Listen, I will go to Father Lawrence's house and tell Romeo to come here to sleep tonight.
Thank you, that's so kind.
Romeo! Juliet needs you. She's worrying right now. She needs you. She's crying and shaking because she's so worried.
Thanks for the update, nurse. I'll be there soon.
You must marry Juliet for her to be happy. It's wonderful. I agree with that.
I'm sorry, Mela, but I have to go. Look outside. It's nearly morning.
Please don't say that. You're my husband. We need to go.
You know I have to go. If anyone finds me here, the prince will going to execute me. Then I have to stay in Mantua. Father Lawrence will going to talk to our families, and the prince too. Then I'll be here soon.
I hope so, my love.
Oh dear, so late at night.
I know, I just slept.
Oh why? Well, I have good news for you. It's a very, very good news. For you to forget your cousin Tybalt's death, you must marry Paris. He is a good man and you can make him very happy.
I won't marry Paris. I don't love him. I don't even know him.
What do you mean?
Have you told her the news?
Yeah, and she says she won't marry Paris.
What? Why not?
I don't want to.
You must marry him.